Hi Larry, how are you?
Good, how you doing?
Good. Good to see you.
Good to see you. Face down,
Yep.
as usual.
As usual. So I see you weren't driving the with the top down.
Nope, too much rain.
Too much rain today. Alright, let's see here. Bend this leg. Pull strong. Here. Drop. Alrighty. Dropping down right through here. Bend. Hold. Good. Here. Here. Hold. Hold strong. Hold strong. Drop. This side up facing me, please. How was work today?
Well, it was good. Busy, but good.
Next. Show everybody.
Okay.
When everybody's asking, what do you do with that chiropractor up there, face down? Saying, keeps you straight.
Literally.
Literally. Hold. Here. 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 Good. Hold. Don't get discombobulated. One of my favorite words. Blow it out.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful. Bend. Here. 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 Drop. Mouth closed, eyes closed. Bend. Hold. Good. Here. Here. Drop. Alright. Let this all relax. Right through here. Eyes closed, mouth closed. Nope. It's okay. We did it set. Here we go. Bend. I think that was the easiest way to adjust you today. Drop. Beautiful. All set.
Done?
Yep.
Good.